What's going on, everybody on YouTube? Steve here, Raiken Profit over at RaikenProfit.com. Here in a beautiful city of Boston. I'll give you a view of what it's looking like right now. Got a pretty cool view from the hotel room. But in any event, in today's video, I wanted to talk about, let me put you down for a second. I want to talk about one of the biggest mistakes that I see people making when they're looking to make money online. And I'm gonna just dive right into it. One of the biggest mistakes people make when they're looking to build an income stream online is they focus on starting like 5 different things at once. They're like, I'm gonna start a blog, I'm gonna start a YouTube channel, I'm gonna sell on eBay, I'm gonna learn how to do Poshmark, and I'm gonna figure out Facebook ads. And the biggest problem is when you're starting a business, in order to have success, it's like a rocket ship trying to get off the ground. It takes so much energy and effort, and there's a lot of mistakes that you're gonna make, and there's just a lot of trial and error that you're gonna go through to become successful. It doesn't happen overnight. So the biggest mistake people are making is they're spreading themselves too thin. They're trying to figure out all these different things, and there's just way too much gasoline that it takes to get that rocket off. There's too much fuel that it takes. You don't have that much fuel to try to get 5 different things off the ground at once. So what I recommend doing is focusing on one thing at a time. If you wanna start a blog, then go for the blog and leave the YouTube to the side, leave the e-commerce, the Shopify, the Poshmark to the side. Figure out exactly what you're looking for in terms of your outcome. Is it money? Is it influence? Do you want to share your message? I don't know what your goal is. For everybody, it's not always the money. You might be making a great income already with your business, and what you're looking to do is build depth. You're looking to build an audience. You want to really be able to serve and help people. So you've got to ask yourself, what is it do I really want? Do I need the short-term income, or am I looking to build a long-term passive income stream? So once you figure out exactly what you want, stop, take your hand off all the different cookie jars and focus in on one thing. That's it. That's the magic recipe right there. There's actually a great book called The One Thing. I would highly recommend you guys checking it out. But that's the biggest mistake I see. People are trying to do too many things at once. Focus on one thing, make a bunch of mistakes when you're getting that rocket off the ground, because you're going to figure it out, network with people, fail forward. That's a really great lesson that I learned in Jack Canfield's book, Success Principles. Fail forward, make mistakes, but keep going forward. You know what I mean? When you make a mistake, don't step back. Just keep pushing forward, learn from that mistake, and then do things differently and keep going forward. So hopefully this video helped. Focus on one thing. That's the big message in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Appreciate it.